This is Paul. Yeah. Yeah. The Arctic includes about 6% of the world's land area, but less than 400,000 people live there. This is a region larger than the United States and about half as many people as there are in Rhode Island. Yeah. hmm Now, the region, yeah, known as the Arctic, yeah, is larger than the United States. Yeah. This Arctic right here, yeah. mm, It's bigger than the United States. Yeah. Now, you'd say, well, 5,000 degrees. Yeah. So you just kind of make this little HHO gas generator. Yeah. It melts the actual ice at the North Pole. Yeah. Turns it into water. Yes. Considerable amount of it, actually. It'd be a pretty good sized hole when I'm done. Might even reach all the way to the ocean underneath it. Yeah. Could sink the Arctic. But the water, yeah, the steam, some of it does stay there, so that it's kind of like this huge mountain on top of the North Pole. Yeah. The more you steam, it goes up, attracting the cold air. Yeah. And then some of it turns to rain and then it freezes and is frozen ice. Yeah. And the more that you steam, the greater the mountain of ice there is at the North Pole. Now, eventually, the concept is, yeah, there'll be there'll be a mountain greater than, well, Mount Everest. Yeah, if you had a large enough desalinator. Yes, and it was producing enough steam. Pooch. Now, let's say we had an Arctic, and most of us think of it as just kind of a flat. Yeah, it's rounded. Pooch. It's the size of the United States. Yeah, pretty good size. And you just keep going down farther and farther and farther, melting the water. Yes. And then you kind of use a little vacuum system and you suck it up. Yeah. Into the top of the mountain. Yeah. And it continues to pour water on a very large piece of metal at 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Yeah. Now, as the steam goes up, yeah, it attracts cold air, which, as I understand it, yes, of course, I'm not a scientist. Yeah. Now, eventually, yeah, there's going to be a replacement of the ice around the Arctic. Yeah. Because you've got, well, maybe 1,500 degrees or 1,500 miles one direction. Yeah. 1,500 miles the other direction is kind of like a radius, a diameter of the actual Arctic at the top of the planet. Yeah. Now, this steam, yes, it does. It's going to have to attract the cold from 1,500 miles of all directions. Yeah. So as to want to freeze the sea ice around the Arctic. Yeah. Now, you need a pretty good plume of hot air. Yeah. To attract cold air. Yes. 1,500 miles away.